plain cotton, the pattern doesn't matter, this is just what I had, a lighter, 1/4 inch elastic, pins for your fabric, a measuring tape, scissors, and an iron. You need a sewing machine. It does not have to be this one. Anything that can handle a straight stitch will be fine. You will need to cut out 1/4 inch of seam allowance, which is not specified on the pattern. Make sure that you cut out 4 pieces. You'll need 2 for the inside and 2 for the outside. Since this is a plain cotton with no pattern, there is no real right or wrong side here, but you'll want to use a straight stitch on the smallest setting and sew along this curved edge to start. After you've sewn the center seam, go back and sew that seam allowance down flat. This may seem like a cosmetic detail, but it will make the mask easier to wear and it be less bulky around the nose and mouth. Turn the masks right side out, which is the side that doesn't have the inner seam, and then pin together the top and bottom and sew those down with the seam allowance. Once you're done sewing both edges, go ahead and turn that mask right side out. Both sides have a closed seam. Now that it's flipped inside out, go ahead and press those edges flat. Now that you've pressed your seams, you need to top stitch back over them and also close up the sides that are open here. You're going to want to fold the sides of your mask like this, so that it is an outward facing box pleat. Pin that down and then press it down with your iron. It will not be possible to press the pleat all the way across the mask because it's curved, so just press down the pleat on the side, on the interior and exterior. Now you'll need to sew that pleat down flat. It'll make it easier to put the channel in later. Now you'll just need to fold the end over and sew it down flat to get a pocket for the elastic later. To judge how much elastic you'll need to create the ear loops, take your measuring tape and measure from the hollow of your cheek to the top of your ear. Got that? Now double it and add another 2 inches for the side of the mask, and that's how much you'll need. Now you'll need to take a small safety pin, put it through your elastic, and feed that elastic through the channel on the side of your mask. After your elastic is threaded, you're going to want to burn the ends of the lighter to seal it off. And then you'll just put a cross stitch right here with your needle and thread. The cross stitch will look like this. It's literally just an X of thread. And here you can see the completed mask. As you can tell by the pleats on the side, you can adjust the size of this mask to be bigger or smaller to fit a range of faces, making it a very flexible option for many creators.